The continuation of our semi-detached from multi-net design. Now, in the last video we said that we did not create a access road and every other thing, so we want to represent them, then continue with whatever that remain by arranging them in details into the position where they're supposed to be. So what you do here is that you click on what is it called, architecture. You click on annotate. You still on the same site, you click on the line. So you start your line experiment. You can use the curve because it's not good for the edge to be sharp. So you need to do curve for easy driving. So in our project, when we want to do parking space, a multi-level parking space, definitely we will talk more about our activities of arrangement of car parking. It's more important when you are designing your site. So that is it. You click there. So as we have done with this, you click the other halfway. Here is what to do. So that will be a infinite line to demonstrate the non-ending aspect. So now what you do here, you copy this. So copy in place, you take it up and put it here. So you have done with this. So you can now draw this line, come down, and this one go up. So done with that. So you click on this one and call it access line, access road, control A, and access road. So you can decide to copy them on the two push. So this one will demonstrate that the car moves from one point to another by entry. You can decide to introduce annotate pattern to demonstrate how the flow of the car is going to be. So that is it. So at this point now, you click here and set the side. So from here, and just put other side. Okay. So this one demonstrates that when the car is coming, if you enter into this place, the same thing you do at this point too. So you drag it, and that is it. So you can hide this or return it to the point of originality. So that is it. So you are done with this, and the rest of whatever you want to do in terms of spinning and flat. So what you do now is to reduce this and bring them to the simple stage, what is it called. Now something said you do not have arrow, what is it called, there is no arrow, not arrow. So to create not arrow is a simple thing, but to create not arrow depends on the way in which your software plan. So when we are planning the software, we make sure that the software is what is flatly at the side of direct. So not arrow is going to be vertical. So you decide the not arrow by yourself by putting it like this. So that's a vertical point of not arrow. So you decide to do that, and you do the normal natural drawing for knot. So this is the knot arrow. So you want to change the graphics of that one. You can say for the graphics element, you change the width to something like 7. So if it's not okay, you can still increase it a bit more. So you say over elements and increase it to something like 12. Let it be bold and big. So that is enough arrow for you. So you've done the arrow, and what you need to do now is to make sure that this crop region is seen. Take them off from anything that can affect the view of it. So you take them in that area. So select this and say IDO category. Then click here and say fit into place. So these are done. So you can reduce this one if they are not giving you exactly what you need. So you can do the same thing here, so that will not be long. Then you turn this back. So now when you want to put them to sheet, we are going to demonstrate one here. So click here, click on sheet and say new, and the new I want to use this particular A3, so I'm going to click on A3 here. So this one gives me something of a contract of what someone has already used, so I'm not going to use it. So I'm going to click and create another one. So new, and I'm going to use this plain one. I'm going to use that aspect, so I'm going to click here. So I'm just click and say return to the plain one. So the plain one which I return to, I will rename this one. I will call it what? Site. And then just rename this for site plan. So site plan will be done. So I will do that. So I'm going to take this into complete consideration foundation and drag it. So I'm dragging it here based on what I have. So you can decide to change the scale to 200. So proper site will be fixing. So what do you see? You see those Logos line. So you can change this to 150, sir. But when you are not seeing, does not matter. You just drag and say customize. When you customize, and you change it to 150. So increase it a little bit, which is good. So what you have here is that those things are bigger. So that is why I told you that time that you should duplicate it, so that you will not be giving you headache. So see you doing that one now, so that it will not affect whatsoever you are doing. So here now you reduce the size to something like 3.5. You see, okay. Can you see? So you do the same thing here too. Edit. Okay, I think it's okay. The same pattern. So what you need next is the annotate. So so instead of 4 here, change this one to 2.2. So everything back to normal. So this one is more demonstrated than the other. So you click here and see, and you tell them say no title. You don't want the title there. So these ones are giving you what you want and give you what you need. So from here now, you can decide and say okay, I did the family. So from there now you use the detail line to do whatever you want to do at this point. So many things you arrange and so other things you put. So to put the label, this is beyond the scope of this particular thing. So but we are going to do that later on. So I see here you say looking to that particular project. If I write the system parts, it's gone and it's available at this junction. So as you have done this one, and this one gives you what you need, and you demonstrate the whole thing in place that is successful. So this is how you arrange your wordy site on your paper, and that is what you have demonstrated. If any other thing you want to do, it's going to come along the line. So thanks for watching. On the next lecture, we are going to put everything on sheets at the same time. The rendering here is not going to be on Fury. We are going to render this one to you based on what you see on this Revit rendering engine itself. So using the tracing, and you are going to see perfection in all those things. So kindly subscribe if you have not been subscribing before, and here we move to the next level. So thanks for watching.